I've been waiting to do this for a while. So this is the Panasonic Lumix DMC-TZ80, and this camera is going to replace the camera you're looking through right now, the Sony Cybershot, and it'll be my overhead camera, because my normal overhead camera died a few months ago, the Nikon Coolpix A100. So today we're just going to unbox it. Let's get into it. Let's start by reading the specs, I guess. So it says 4K on the box, 30x optical zoom, high sensitivity 18.1 megapixel MOS sensor, and a Leica DC lens. And it's also got a viewfinder. Yeah, so here we go. So excited. Right, 3, 2, 1. So first there's a pile of documentation, warranty, and then there's the manual, the camera itself. Oh, it's beefy. Yeah, the bubble wrap. Oh ho ho, it's beefy for a compact camera. Wow. Look at that. That's got a micro USB cable. Micro USB, but it's better than a proprietary connector. Am I right? And it's got the USB wall wart, a battery. Does this thing not have the battery already in it? No, it doesn't. Right. Let's put the battery in. Right, which way does it go in? That way. There it goes. And now I'll just put on the wrist strap. There we go. Let's see if it turns on. Hey, turns on. There we go. It hasn't got much battery. Let's set the clock. So what's the time now? 12. Oh, and it's a touchscreen too. 12:01 on the 25th of December 2023. Set. There we go. Right, so this thing is set up. So now I've just got to charge it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. A review will be coming out on this soon. Remember to like, share this video with your friends, comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.